Hey, welcome my Scrappin friends to Scrappin' It Up. I'm Vanessa Peter, and I'm here with another show and tell with you guys. This is another folio. It's more like a mini album, and it measures 6 1/4 by 8 1/2, and I decorated it with the Happy Hunting from Simple Stories. Beautiful paper, guys. Beautiful paper. I love Halloween paper. So I created this album with this. So let's dive in and see what it's all about. Like I said, this album does measure 6 1/4 by 8 1/2. It does have an inch spine, and in my tutorial, I did increase the spine a little bit to give you a little bit more room, because I know how you ladies like more room. So here on the cover, I just collaged some of the stickers from the collection and the bits and pieces, and then I put some cardstock here, and I did leave these open so you could stick a photo underneath. I did use Tyvek for the spine of the album, and there's the back. Okay, so you open it up, and you have a flip here. Love this. This album turned out so cute. And then you have a flip here. What a beautiful spread. Beautiful. And again, I just used some of the bits and pieces from the collection. I had the bits and pieces and the journaling bits and pieces too from this collection. So then we have a pull out here. And I did do the back. I put a journaling spot here so you could journal about what the pictures are about. And that just slides back in here. Then you turn the page. Look at that. Beautiful. I just love Halloween. Love Halloween. I'm almost 54 years old, and if I get the chance to go out and trick-or-treat with the grandkids, and I dress up with them. Yes, I still dress up. I love Halloween. It's such a fun time. Then we have another pull out here. And this album will hold about 60 of your photos. And it's a really quick and easy album to put together. It goes together really easy. I decorated this in an afternoon, one afternoon, and I had it all decorated. And I used the little pieces from the sticker collection. My tabs are from a, you can use any tab as long as it's the same on, I just stuck one tab here and then one tab here and glued them together to create a tab, is what I've done. Okay. So then you open these. Oops, forgot to take that off. And I love how I'd done the pockets. They just turned out so cute. And then here's that, and there's the back. Again, a journaling spot. Look at that. Beautiful. And that sentiment there, I just cut it in two and done that. Left this open here so you could slide a photo behind this. And I do have a tutorial for this up on my website, so you can go check it out. Oh, it's a darling album. Darling. I think it turned out so cute. And that's it on this, see, I had to increase the spine. So I hope you go check it out. It's go to scrappinitup.com, and you could purchase a tutorial to make this little cutie. It will hold about 60 of your photos. So yes, go check it out, ladies. So in the meantime, as always, keep scrapping, and we'll see you later. Bye-bye.